Welcome to our Canberra Road project. It's been really great to see the way the main bathroom has turned out, seeing as we did move a few walls and the entrance into the second bedroom so that we could enlarge that space and actually include a linen cupboard.
Extra storage is always paramount when working in apartments.
Here we've designed a vanity where the storage runs all the way to the floor. To complement the vanity, we've chosen these stunning textured lava stone pendant lights. They tie in really well with the raw natural concrete of the bench top. We've actually decided to keep the vanity and also the toilet in their existing locations. One major change to the layout though is this used to be just the shower, and we've decided to include a bath for a growing family.